I usually draw like this. This is the traditional way of writing. But for drawing, this is a pain. Pain in the back if I draw for long hours, pain in the neck. Then there is perspective distortion. I have an easel where I stand and draw. But for a small sketchbook drawing, a full standing easel is not at all appropriate. I figured out a solution. A hardboard between me and my study table. Sketchbook on the hardboard and I am good to go. But this method has its own problems. Taking a break is a hassle. A misplaced pencil or a dropped eraser with this setup on my lap, you know what I'm talking about. I need a desk easel. A desk easel would truly improve my workflow. So I searched on Amazon. I looked into Pinterest for ideas. I'm an artist, not a woodworker. Well, I kind of do some woodworking also. But what about the other artists? I thought that maybe I should help others. During my YouTube research, I did not see people using foldable brackets. You need two boards like so. You need brackets. These are foldable brackets. And you need a mounting board or a strip. And this is the secret sauce and a wing nut compatible with the bolt. This bolt will act as a stopper. Now let's make it. Mounting strip to be glued on one of the boards. Screw the bracket in the middle. Actually the idea was to attach the bracket inside in the middle, much more similar to the wooden desk easel that I have seen in DIY videos on YouTube. But when I attached it to the other board, this was wobbly. I know my experiment failed, so I decided that I should put hinges at the corners so that I can have some stability. But later on I decided that I should put both the foldable brackets at each end of the boards and I should be done. Now the secret sauce. This is the small bolt which will go inside the rail. Bolt with the wing nut act as a stopper for the bracket. So I did that and the desk easel is done. If you like the content on this channel, please like and share, and you can consider subscribing. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one.